Good day. Makikita niyo po ngayon ang website namin. Yan, marami-raming laman yan. Mamaya i-explain ko yan sa inyo. Pero bago ko i-explain kung paano gumagana nga ang aming website, ay ipapakita ko muna ang source codes namin at kung saan kami nag-upload ng website. So, dito po kami nag-upload ng website sa 000 web hosts. Ayan, so makikita nyo ang source code namin. Ayan, makikita nyo na hindi kami gumamit ng kahit anong web builder. Pinaghirapan po namin isa-isa yan na i-type para mabuo namin yung website namin. At ngayon ay ipapakita ko naman sa inyo ang details ng aming project. Yan. So, I am Erica Joy S. Cabanero, and my group mate or partner is Ria Karen Mabansag. Ang aming course project ay e-commerce website. Ang category po ay bags. Ang products naman ay semi-formal bags. Ayun po ang napili namin. So, dito is makikita niyo sa gilid ng aming logo, kami, at ang aming company name, at ang slogan. Na-explain ko na noon na ang Mayari po ay binase namin from the most beautiful goddess of moon, which is Mayari. She is brave and confident. And we want our customers to be influenced by these characteristics and carry their world through our bag po or products. Kaya nag-came up kami sa ganitong slogan, carry your world. Ayan, nandito po ang link ng aming website. Pwede po natin siyang buksan anytime. And so na-access na natin yung link kanina at magpupunta siya sa login form before siya makapasok sa mismong website o homepage. So dito nilagay namin yung pinakita namin kanina para maging familiar yung user sa Mayari. So dito mag-try tayo ng hindi naka-save na record sa aming database. So anything can do. So ayan, nakikita niyo na incorrect email or password. Kailangan niya muna pong mag-sign up. Ayan, pindutin natin yung sign up. At dito makikita niyo yung registration form ng Mayari. Dito mag-type muna tayo. Ayan, so na-save na po yung record sa database. So, itatype po natin. So, login. Ayan, na-access na po natin ang ating website. If we scroll down, you can see the shop now button na kapag pinindot yan is mapupunta tayo sa aming shop page. Makikita nyo rin dito kapag nag-scroll tayo ang feature ng aming shop. Ayan. Featured products, which I will explain later. Ang aming banner. At ngayon ay pupunta muna tayo sa aming footer where you can see some information about us of how you can contact us. Ayan. So, dito makita nyo ang aming Gmail at aming phone number. So, sa baba, makita nyo ang aming social media accounts na kapag kinlik yan, yan is magpupunta kayo sa aming pages sa different social media accounts. Yan. So, dito, kapag pinindot nyo, mapupunta tayo sa aming Twitter page. Loading, click here sa aming Instagram account. So, niload ko na ang iba para hindi matagal mag-load. Ayan. Kita nyo aming Facebook page, ang aming Twitter account, at ang aming Instagram account. Ayan. Balikan natin ang featured products. So, ayan, makikita nyo sa featured products natin kapag pinindot nyo yan, makita nyo ang details about that certain product. So, ayan, makita nyo ang details here, ang sizes. You can also see them in different angles. Just click the photos below. Ayan, lalabas sila sa big screen. Loading pa. Ayan, pag pinindot lang, loading ang mga yan. Ayan, sa big screen. So, pili tayo ng other product to check if they are working. Ayan. So, ayan, Hanan. You can see the sizes, different sizes, of different colors. Ayan, makita nyo. Kapag pinindot yung small image, mapupunta siya sa bigger image. So, you can inspect it. Ayan. So, you can click the get this here. Mapupunta tayo sa aming shop page where you can add to cart the products you desire. Pero bago ang mga yun, is punta muna tayo sa ating cart. Makikita nyo na wala pa tayong products na na-add. So, let's add 3 products. Add to cart. You can also dagdagan yung quantity. Ayan. So, sa baba is makikita nyo ang aming exclusive bags. This one for Suway, this one. Ayan. So, kanina, kung mapapansin nyo is nag-pop up itong product added to cart. Which means nasa cart na natin yung mga pinindot natin. So, check natin. Yan. Hanan, Tala. at Persua. These are the products that we had earlier, right? So, ayan. Kapag gusto natin dagdagan yung quantity po, is pwede natin pindutin or taasan yung quantity. At kapag nag-update, magbabago ang ating subtotal. So, kanina is 400 pesos lang yan. Ngayon ay 1,200 na kasi tatlong product. I mean, tatlong box. Ayan po. So, dito, bawasan naman natin siya ng isa. So, update. Ayan. Naging 700 pesos na lang siya kasi isa na lang po yung product. Ayan. So, pwede tayong mag-check out anytime. Ayan. So, sa taas, makita nyo ang ating checkout form. Ang ating products na in-add to cart kanina at i-check out. So, dito, fill upan lang po natin ang checkout form. Ayan. Nakasave ng aking info. Ayan. Ang pinili ko po ay cash on delivery. Just place order para ma-check out yung mga products. Ayan. Nasa taas po, order placed successfully. So, makita po natin ang orders natin or matatrack ang mga binili natin dito sa placed orders sa ating navigation. So, ngayon ay pupunta naman tayo sa aming about page. Ayan, makikita niyo po ang information about us. Ayan. You can read it kapag binuksan ang aming website. Dito yung sinabi ko kanina po na mga feature ng aming shops. Ayan. Ang client's review sa shop po namin. Ayan, may ratings din po. Ayan. So, ngayon punta naman po tayo sa ating contact page. Ngayon is makikita nyo kung paano ko na makakontakt. Dito po sa una nating info is ang aming location. Sa location po, naglagay po kami ng Google Map so you can get the direction. Ayan. Pwede po tayong punta sa aming location at pwede po dito i-send ng mga customer kung gusto nilang ibalik yung bag na binili nila sa amin. Or mag-send ng letter. So dito they can email us, our Gmail, our phone number. So dito po, makikita nyo yung gustong sabihin ng customers namin. Let's try. Ayan. I love your shop. Ayan, so click send. Ayan. So na-send na po siya. So sa gilid po makikita nyo ang info about us. Ayan, para makita ng customers at makilala kami. Makontak. For transparency na rin. So ngayon, ipapakita ko naman ang aming database. Kung ano yung mga na-add. So, punta tayo sa aming database. So dito, kanina kaya gumana yung aming login form, registration form at login form dahil nag-add tayo netong record na to sa registration tapos nung nilogin siya, gumana siya. So kanina, nag-message tayo. Punta tayo sa message. Tingnan natin kung na-add yung I love your shop. Ayan. Ayan, nakita po natin na na-add po yung message natin na we can check anytime. Tapos sa order info naman po, check natin yung 3 products po na inan natin. So, these are the orders po na ginawa ngayong araw na to. So, ayan. Sa cart info, ayan. Sa account, ayan, sa user ID na to, may laman ang cart niya. So, nasisave po lahat yun. Kaya po gumagana ang ating website. Ayan po, kabalik na tayo sa ating website. Ngayon, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo kung gaano ka-responsive ang aming website sa phones or tablets. Pakita namin ang responsiveness. So, click inspect po or kahit sa phone nyo. Try nyo sa phone. Ayan, ganyan ang itsura sa phone. Ayan. So, kapag tablet or iPad mini iPad, ayan, ganyan naman po ang itsura. So, adjusted na po ang mga images, ang aming website, para magamit po sa iba't ibang devices. Ayan po. So, ngayon, ilalog out naman natin siya so that Ria can explain the view as an admin po. Ayan, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Ria Karen Bino Bansag and I will show you how our admin part or page works. So in here, we have used the 00 web hosting site and we only created a single database, the DB name, DB user, and DB host. And this is our database. This is the structure of our database with this tables, cart info, order info, product info, and user message. And then what we do now is to sign up as an admin. So I have already prepared her info, and we will just copy paste it. This is the info of our admin. It's for the admin part. And let's register. Then let's go to the database and refresh. This may take a while. And then the type will be automatically user. What we did is to edit the value of the type into admin. So this is for protection purposes, so that not all who signs up or who registers in our website will be the admin, or they will not be able to access our admin part. So let's try to log in as an admin, and so here we'll be directed to our admin homepage, where it shows the total pendings, the payments, the order placed, products added, the users, the total amount of users or count, and the messages. So in here in the products, we can add a product. Then as of now, we have already added total of 19 products. So here, let's try to add a product. Let's name it Magayong. Product price is say 500. Type is sling bag. Product description made of rattan. Then from local artisans. Then let's choose a file. Then let's try to add this one. Then let's add the product. This again may take a while. So from here we can see that the product was added successfully. So let's just scroll. And then here, it's then added here. So we can now see here my own details, my order details, and the admin could just update the order status, whether it was still pending or if it was completed. So then here, let's say I already paid my order. So the admin will just click completed and then update. And payment status has been updated. Then let's refresh. And then let's see orders. Then it was completed. So after these, we will go to the messages part. Then here we can see the new message from Erica. And this is her message. Then let's try to delete. Try to delete here, so that we can know if the delete part works and the update part works. So let's try to update this first. Say we have a sale, the 50. Then let's try to enter. Then it was updated. Next one is I will try to delete this. And then let's see if it was deleted here. And then it was deleted, and as well as mine. So let's see if this will. You can see orders. Then no orders placed. So here let's try to delete the message. So see if it will work. And it worked. And that's all. Thank you for watching our demonstration and presentation of our e-commerce project website.